Hello, gorgeous. Welcome. I'm Joy Amor. Thank you so much for being here. Well, welcome if you're new. If you're not, welcome back, girl. So today we are doing SiyunShow. Girl, it's like, it's shot. Just trust me. It's SiyunShow hair, 28 inches of ooh la la, girl. Ooh la la. So if you want to see exactly how we got this look, stay tuned.
I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, get Hennessy. Yeah, that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know, let me know.
Hello, all my beautiful queens, and welcome to another video. If you are new, my name is Joy. Welcome. If you are not new, girl, welcome back. Today we are doing another unit from my girl. Wait, see? There you go. SiyunShow hair. I love SiyunShow hair. Y'all know if I do a video, it's because I love the hair. This time we got a little something different. They sent us, let's see what we got in our goodie bag. I know y'all be wanting to see that. We got headbands. We got wig caps. Siyun, I need darker wig caps, girl. It's too light for me. I'm dark. We got lashes. It's too bright. Girl, that light was shine bright like a diamond. And then we got elastic. That way, if we want to make it glueless and add an elastic band, we can. So let me just show y'all this real quick. So I'm gonna put the details to this unit down below. It doesn't stink. Y'all know I can't stand that. Down below in the description. I just wanted to show you guys. Wow. Isn't it gorgeous? This is a tighter unit. Those curls are tight, girl, and it's long. I love it. So listen, let's go ahead and get into this install, and then I'll talk you through the details when we wrap it up at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys clicking on this video and watching the whole thing, because it's gonna be lit. Any type of video I do, no matter what it is, hair, makeup, plus size travel, listen, my message is all about making you feel beautiful while you're being your authentic self. No matter what size you are, what color you are, what shape you are, you can adorn yourself, okay? You can put you a little bit of paint on your barn and be cute, no matter where your journey starts or where your journey is in the process of. You can still feel beautiful because you are beautiful. So thank you for watching this video. Let's get right into this install, and then again I'll be back at the end for the wrap up. Okay, thank you SiyunShow hair for sponsoring this video, and I'm sorry y'all, it's taking me a long time, but listen, I'm here. Okay, my clothes might be different, but I'm here.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone,
This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much, Siyun. Y'all, that light too bright. You can't even see. Listen, I'm giving up on that. Thank you so much, SiyunShow Hair, for sponsoring and collaborating with me for this video. Y'all, this is 28 inches of hair. When I'm going to have hair, y'all seen my natural hair, so y'all know I have a lot of natural hair. Like, my natural hair is very full and it's very thick. So when I want to add on layers or add on inches, I want something completely different than my natural hair. Meaning, I want something like this. Long, thick, and strong. I love this hair, okay? I'm going to put the exact dimensions down below. I do believe it's a 13 by 4 by 6. It is a frontal. We like frontals because it gives us the same good look, right? But as a fraction of the cost. Another good thing about a frontal is the versatility. Now, if you get some good quality hair, it will last you. SiyunShow hair lasts me. This is what, my second or third, girl, it might be my third unit. And I think I finally found a match made in heaven. Girl, come on now. Come on, 28 inches. Come on. Wait. Girl, listen. Girl, they done emailed me and told me I was vain. But anyway. So for all of my pretty, thick, beautiful cupcakes out there who love to put a little paint on their barn, get on over there to SiyunShow Hair and get you a unit. I will have all of the details down below in the description box. This hair was very easy to manipulate. I did not do a lot to it. We installed it, did the edges, put some oil in it. Girl, that's it. No shedding. None. Look. Not one piece of hair. Not one. And I'm rough on hair. Let me do it on this side. See if I can get a piece. Nope, nothing. Oh, there's one. One strand. I finally, after the third time, I got one strand. But girl, I'm telling you, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I feel so beautiful. I feel so confident. Listen, if you like this hair, if you like that loose, deep wave, because I had a similar one, but this is a tighter curl. Look at the curl pattern. You guys, when we're investing in our hair, it's not just purchasing hair. We're actually making an investment, and we want a return on our money. We want something that's easy. We want something that's going to be beautiful, and we also want something that's going to last. I love this hair. When you're shopping the SiyunShow website, it's very easy, very cohesive, very good quality. The shipping was fast. The communication was good. You guys, you know what I do. Before I work with the company, not only do I let them send me hair, but I also use a different email address and physical address to order my own hair from that company to make sure that the hair that they send me personally is the same hair that they send me as an influencer. I know that a lot of the queens out there that do reviews, they don't have time to be doing all of that. But I do that because I want to make sure that the same quality hair I get is what you get. Because you know, I got your back and your front. I love this hair. Whew. Don't get tired of it because you're going to see me in it all week. So, again, shout out to SiyunShow Hair. Let me show y'all. Girl. SiyunShow Hair. Girl, I've been trying to show y'all this thing for 30 minutes. Shout out to SiyunShow Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Listen, ladies, get down below in the comments and let me know exactly what pattern, what length, what texture, what type of hair would you like to see next. If you like a particular hair unit from SiyunShow Hair, go on to their website, pick that hair, put a link down below in the description box, and I will purchase it either myself or I will request it for the next collaboration, so that way I can let you guys know exactly how it looks before you invest your dollar, because I'm going to save you time, energy, and coin. At the end of the day, you're going to be informed, you're going to feel inspired and encouraged each and every time you watch one of my videos. So listen, beauty is a state of mind, not body. My mind is so gorgeous. What are you thinking? I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, girl. Thank you, Siyun. SiyunShow hair. Say that 5 times fast. Okay? Well, anyway. Bye, girl.
I wanna